Hey guys, so looking at stuff that's been uploaded to the Google Drive, it's apparent that you do not know how to use Cam Scanner. So I'm going to show you so that I don't keep getting weird pictures of papers. So you need to download the app on your phone, okay? And it looks like this, okay? It might be different. I have an Android, so iPhones might be different, but it's a totally free app. You can find it in the App Store. After you get the Cam Scanner app, okay, open it. See, it's opening. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a picture of my paper. Okay, look, taking a picture of my paper, right? I'm going to get it centered. I'm going to take a picture. Bam. Okay. Then, okay, you're going to click this little button and you can like change the margins, you can change the brightness. Okay, when it looks good, you do the little check button. Yay, okay. Carol, and I'm gonna name it. Carol Cecil Test. Carol Cecil Test. Okay, oh look, here comes my big orange cat. All right, so now here it's going to look like this. And then I am going to click the share option. Okay, share. I'm going to share it as a PDF. PDF. Share. I'm going to share it to my Gmail account. And I'm sending it to myself. ccsoul03@gmail.com. Okay, because I named my paper, it generated the subject line. And now I'm going to click send. Okay, it may take a minute. Oh, look at that. I probably just got the email with my test. So now I'm going to go there. Bam. Test. You can then download it onto your computer and then upload it to the Google Drive. I don't want to see any more pictures of your homework or your work sent to me as a picture file. I want a PDF. Okay, now everybody knows how to do it and there are no excuses. Thank you.